Hello everyone, welcome to Vedantu guys. Today I am going to discuss about the very important question guys. A contract on the construction job specifies a penalty for the delay of the completion beyond the certain dates as follows. Rupees 200 for the first day, 250 for the second day, 300 for the third day, etc. and penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than the preceding day. Okay, and how much money the contractor has to pay as a penalty, right? And he has delayed the work by the 30 days. Okay guys, so this is a very simple question. Now I am going to solve this question guys. Okay, so for the first day it will be 200, and for the second day it will be the 250, and 300 for the third day, and for the and work he has delayed how many days guys? For 30 days. So up to 30 terms. Okay guys, because for the first day delay, right, for the first day delay penalty will be 200 rupees. For the second day penalty will be 250 rupees, and for the third day penalty will be 300, and penalty for each succeeding day being 50 rupees more than the preceding day. Okay guys, so now I am going to I have to find out what guys, how much money the contractor has to pay as a penalty. Okay, right guys, so this is a very simple question if you know the all the concept of the AP guys, right? So first of all we are having what, 200. Okay, we are having a equal to 200 because a equal to first term, and common difference that is d, and d equal to, we know the formula a2 minus a1, and it will be 250 minus 200, so we can say that it will be 50 guys, right? This is the very simple. Now what we can say that actually he has delayed the work by the 30 days, so the n equal to, we can take the 30, right? And we have to find out the age 30. So age 30, for finding the age 30, you must know about the formula of Sn. Sn denotes that sum of the n term is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, everything clear? Right. Okay guys, so you can apply this formula here and you can write it as is 30 is equal to 30 by 2 into 2a. So 2a, what is the value of a here guys? So we can write here 200 plus, what we can write here, 30 minus 1 into d, and d will be 50, right? So and after dividing it will be 15, and it will be 429 into 50, right? So guys, what we can write here, so it will be 15 and 400 plus 29 into 500, so it will be 1450. Okay, so 1450 plus 400, it will be 1850, and 15 into 1850, right? So and after doing the multiplication you will get the answer guys. Okay, so we are having what guys, we are having is 30 is equal to 15 into 15 into 1850, right? Okay guys, so after doing multiplication it will be guys, you can write here, what we can write here, 15 after doing the multiplication 15 into 1850, so it will be 27,750. So it will be the correct answer for this question. So thank you guys.